Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you fed up of greasy oily hair just in a day? Or are you tired of your hair falling flat in a few hours? I anyway wouldn't recommend you guys wash your hair every day, but what I can do is show you guys how to get rid of a greasy scalp instantly so your hair looks freshly washed, and show you how to recreate these two everyday braid hairstyles for summer. So let's get started. So before starting the hairstyle, I am going to be spraying the BBLUNT Back to Life Dry Shampoo in Spring Fling. Now this is going to absorb all of the greasiness and oiliness from my hair and scalp. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to shake the bottle up really well first. And then I'm going to just take clean sections and spray this from a distance. Rub the scalp so the product is distributed, and then what I'm going to do is take a white tooth comb and comb my hair so that all of the product is well distributed on my scalp and all of the grease and oil is absorbed all through the hair. And trust me, in less than 10 minutes, it looked as though I have freshly washed my hair, and all of the greasiness from the roots especially was absorbed instantly. Okay, starting off with the hairstyle, I am going to be doing my favorite Dutch braid. So for this, you have to take a small section on the side, split that into 3 equal halves, and instead of taking the section from the top, you're going to be taking the sections from the bottom. Once you have done that, take a little bit of hair from the front, add it to the middle section but from below, and then braid normally. It's as simple as it is, and I am loving how cute a Dutch braid looks. It's definitely going to be my favorite way of braiding this entire summer. The Spring Fling variant also helps in adding a lot of volume on your roots, at the same time absorbing all of the oil and grease. Just pull on the braid slightly to make it look voluminous, and for the first one I just wanted a really sleek effect on the side, so I'm going to be taking my straightener and just smoothing and straightening my hair down. This hairstyle is so cute. It can be recreated for school, for college, or for any occasion, and I'm sure this will go with a lot of feminine cute outfits like dresses and cute tops. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to be using the BBLUNT Back to Life Dry Shampoo in Beach Please. So I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be taking clean sections. I'm going to spray this at a distance directly on my scalp. But for this one, I'm also going to be spraying it through my hair because this adds a lot of texture to the hair as well. So do exactly this section by section all through your head. And make sure you comb it either section by section or just comb it one final time at the end. For this one, I'm going to be taking a middle parting. So take the right over the middle and then take the left over the middle. And then what you want to do is use your thumb and take sections from the top, add it to the middle section, and then braid that normally. When you're doing so, take your time and take clean sections and go slowly and step by step. Once you do this for about 4 to 5 sections, then just braid this normally, but make sure that you're moving the braid towards the back. Take it towards the back and secure it using a rubber band. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side. One very important thing that you will have to remember when you do French braids like this is that you have to make sure that you are moving the braid towards the back and it's not getting loose, or else you might not get the braid exactly where you want it to sit. So keep moving your head away from your hands while braiding, and make sure that you have a mirror so you are aware of what you're doing step by step. Simply do this all the way till the end and secure it with a rubber band. Now take both the braids towards the back, release the previous rubber bands, and then tie both the braids together with one rubber band. And since the spray added a lot of texture to my hair, I am going to add slight waves to my hair from the mid-lengths to ends. So just wrap it around your hair like that and pull through. I love the way it turned out. This is super cute, it's sporty, it's chic, and I loved how it looked. So I hope you guys enjoyed both of these braid hairstyles. They are wearable, they're easy, you can recreate these for any occasion every day. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Share this video with your friends. Click on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.